On number 3 in the week 4 lab, you have to understand on number 3 you already have the information that you used to generate the graph back in number 1. Remember we had those 3 columns of data? I changed number 3, so for 2/5 I said what is the probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just copy those right out of the columns of data that you generated in number 1 to make your graphs. Now in number 4, I'm going to go through my charts here. If you've seen the live lecture, you've seen this. Number 4, they ask, okay, what are the probabilities that, first of all, x is greater than or equal to 1? Let me show you what I use to do these. So greater than or equal to 1, watch this. This is really easy. I'm going to go back to Minitab. On this is number 4. Graph, probability distribution plot. Click View Probability. Say OK. I'm going to change the distribution to a binomial. Think about this. Now 10 trials. The event probability. Mine is 2/5, so I'm going to make this 0.40. Yours will be different. Remember, my example's different. I'm saying 2/5. Then I click the Shaded Area tab. Now think about this. Greater than or equal to 1. See if I can make that a little bit bigger. See if I can make it bigger. There you go. Greater than or equal to 1. Think about that greater than sign. It's pointing to the right. So it's 1 and everything to the right. So I am going to be putting in an x value. So I click x value, right tail, 1. I want to know everything 1 and to the right. I click OK. Boom, 0.9940. So I would input 0.9940 for greater than or equal to 1. The next one is greater than 1. Think about that. Greater than 1 means everything that is greater than 1, which is 2 or more. So I would go back and I would say graph, probability distribution plot. Click View Probability. Say OK. These remain the same because I just input that. Shaded Area tab. X value, right tail, but instead of 1, I'm going to put in 2 because greater than 1 is not greater than or equal to 1. So I input a 2, boom, 0.9536. So I would input right there. X is greater than 1, 0.9536. Now, the third one down is everything greater than 4 but less than or equal to 7. Think about that. Greater than 4, that means 5, 6, or 7 because it's inclusive of the 7. So 5, 6, or 7. Watch how easy this is. I go to Graph, Probability Distribution Plot, click View Probability, say OK. It stays the same. Click Shaded Area tab, X value, middle. I want to know between 5 and 7. Why a 5? Because it said greater than 4. X is greater than 4, less than or equal to 7. Alright, middle, boom. My answer is 0.3546. Nailed that too. What's my next one? Less than 0. This is silly. Less than 0, it can't be less than 0. Because, I mean, 0 is as low as I can go on the number of heads. I can't have -1 heads. So less than 0 is going to be 0. Less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4. I go up to Graph, Probability Distribution Plot, click View Probability, say OK. My stuff stays the same, my number of trials and event probability. X value, but less than or equal to 4. Think about that being an arrow. It's pointing to the left. So this is going to be a left tail less than or equal to 4. Put a 4 in there because it includes the 4. Say OK. Boom. 0.6331. Finally, the last one they ask us about is less than 4 or greater than or equal to 7. Now, I want you to understand that we're going to add two numbers together. First, less than 4. I go to Graph, Probability Distribution Plot, View Probability. OK. Stays the same for me. Left tail, less than 4 is 3 or less. So I say OK. That is just the left side. So remember 0.3823. I think I have it here on one of my charts. There it is, 0.3823. But I now have to add the probability of it being 7 or more. Let's show you how to get that. Graph, Probability Distribution Plot. Click View Probability. OK. Stays the same for me. I don't have to change anything. X value, right tail, greater than or equal to 7. I'm going to put a 7 for the X value. Say OK. There it is, 0.05476. And you can see this on my charts from the lecture. I add those two values together. 0.3823 plus 0.05476. And I get 0.4371 rounded to 4 decimal places. So that would be my answer to the last one. That is the one that most students miss. I want everybody to get that one right. So make sure you get that one right.